In this video, I am going to show you how to split a transaction in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the spending section and open transactions. This is where all your activity is listed. Find the transaction you want to split and click on it to open the details. Next, look for the split option. If you want to divide the transaction evenly, select Split Transaction, then click Add Split. Origin will automatically divide the total amount into equal parts for you. If you prefer a custom split, choose the custom option from the dropdown. Then manually enter the amount for each split so you can assign different portions to different categories. This is useful if one transaction covers multiple expenses. Once you've set your splits, click Apply Split, then click Done to save your changes. Your transaction will now be divided and categorized accordingly in your reports. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.